don't know what we should do here. I thought this driver in this white 4x4, this Audi, is looking down. Now I see a phone. You alright? What's that going on there with your phone? Emails? In Entrata? Oh dear.
I got the camera.
I got the camera and I'm going to report it to the police.
Thank you so much, sir.
You mustn't do that, my friend. Audi drivers, right? Always.
Sorry?
Always Audi drivers,
Yeah.
Range Rovers.
Normally it's BMW drivers.
Yeah, any of the luxury cars. There's actual science that says it. Carry on. You're not going to get through, mate. You still won't get through. All that impatience ain't going to get you nowhere.
Hey, shut up, man. We're going to drive your bike with you.
Yeah, keep all your hair on, fella. He's on the phone. Such impatience. And of course it's not going to do anything. I wonder why this black Audi here is wandering all over the road like this. She didn't look like she was on her phone.